Hey everyone, I'm Sushil and welcome to my first video. In this channel, we are going to learn backend development by building real projects step by step. From today, we are starting a new NestJS playlist. This course is mainly for those who already have a good understanding of JavaScript and have worked with Node.js or Express before. So if you already know the basics and want to take your backend skills to the next level, you are in the right place. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is NestJS? NestJS is a Node.js framework used to build scalable and well-structured backend applications. It is built on top of Express and uses TypeScript by default. Now the biggest question is, why do we need NestJS? Before NestJS, we were already building backend applications using Node.js and Express. So why exactly do we need it? When we use Express, everything works fine in the beginning. But as the project grows, the code can become messy and hard to manage. There's no proper structure, so different parts of the application can get mixed together. In larger projects, different developers may write code in different styles, and we can't control that. In a big team, it can take a lot of time just to understand even simple parts of the code, which slows down development. This is where NestJS comes in. NestJS gives your backend applications a proper structure from the start. It organizes your code using things like modules and controllers and separates the business logic into different parts to keep everything neat. With this structure, everyone on the team can follow the same patterns, which makes the code easier to read, understand, and maintain. In this course, we learn how to use NestJS step by step, starting from setting up our first project to building real-world backend applications together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. See you in the next one.